Hey guys, it's me, Hire. You guys are really good like this. So, I went to the store. I got some hot, what are these called? They're called fries. Cheddar's fry. Oh, flaming hot. This is what they look like. I need to go get a water. Just in case it gets too hot. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with my water. See, it's my water. You always okay, whatever. When you like this stuff, I probably got 2 bags like that, but we're not worrying about those yet. You always get spring water. See, spring water, spring water. You always should get that. It looks like it says water spring, but it really says spring water. Okay. Let's get started. Should I eat the little bag or the big bag? I'm about to go with the little bag first because I don't know. I need to open this. Alright. Like that. Put it just like that. And let's open these. The bag looks like fishies. I don't know. One. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Ooh. So hot. That was mine. Oh my gosh. It's so hot. Which is why I don't want to before. You see what they look like. That's funny. Ooh. Yeah, you never want to buy over because you never want to buy other water besides spring water, and you never want to use water out the sink because this water, you should drink it like this. And the burning just go through into your nose. That's what my, well, that's not what my mom told me. That's what my grandma told me. She said breathe through your nose and breathe out through your nose. So you go like, okay, and I need to do something. Look, like at the proteins. Yeah, I gotta give you a closer look. Look at the proteins right here. I think you can see, but at the proteins, right here. Bottom one has 2 proteins. I think they're fries or something. It's saying to blow. Not bad now. It's like super hot. These are just a packet of that. Oh yeah. Also, I'm Musical.ly. You can find me on Musical.ly. My name's Queen Hyra 145. I'll say it 2 more times. Queen Hyra 145. Queen Hyra 135. That's all. You can follow me. Huh. I'm not looking. Anyway, they're just like Takis. I'm about to show you. I probably can't see that good. See? These are what like Takis look like. Did you see me? These are like Takis. Yeah. That's it in my video. Hey, how about the people going? Look at my hands. Ah. I forgot. What? It's super good. Woo! I know last time. I pranked my cousin. No. I didn't do it this last time, but I think I did prank someone, but it wasn't that. I did it to myself. But the last time, I put hot sauce in my water, and I drank it. Oh my gosh, it tastes so nasty, man. Look at all this left. Okay. No more. So I have no more. But if you like, please comment below, like the video. It was super awesome. Yeah, just do that, and I'll comment back. Okay. Bye. Enjoy the video. I hope enjoy it.